Hey everyone, if you want to automate your work using Chrome extensions in 2026, like reducing manual tasks, saving time, and improving productivity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Chrome extensions for work automation. First, install automation extensions from the Chrome Web Store inside Google Chrome. Look for tools like autofill, workflow automation, and productivity boosters. Next, use autofill extensions. These help you instantly fill forms, emails, and login details without typing everything manually. Now, automate repetitive browsing tasks. Some extensions can click buttons, open tabs, or copy data automatically. After that, use task and workflow management extensions. This helps you organize your work, track tasks, and stay productive. Next, automate data collection using scraping or extraction tools. This is useful for research, marketing, and reporting tasks. Now, connect your extensions with external tools like Google Sheets or automation platforms. This creates a powerful workflow system. Finally, schedule automation tasks to run automatically in the background. This helps your browser work even when you are not active. So, yeah, that's how you use Chrome extensions for work automation in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll save time, reduce manual work, and boost productivity. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!